Hey there, today we are making a homemade version of a childhood favorite fruit snack. It's a combination of fresh and frozen fruit, pureed and dehydrated. Not only is this recipe delicious, but it's also a healthy alternative to the normal sweets and treats. It is called Festive Fruit Leather. So we're going to make green apple and mixed berry fruit leather. For both of those recipes, you will need green apples, mixed berries, spinach leaves, cinnamon, water, sugar, and lemon juice. You will also need silicone baking mat or parchment paper and a baking sheet. All right, let's start with the green apple first. You're going to peel and dice your apples. Place them into a saucepan along with your cinnamon, water, and sugar. You're going to cook them for about 20 minutes or until your apples are really soft. While the apples are cooking, let's go ahead and move on to our berry mixture. It's real simple. All the ingredients go into a blender and you're going to blend it until smooth. All right, the apples are cooked, softened, and cooled. Let's throw them into the blender, blend until smooth, and then we're going to add our spinach leaves and blend some more. Preheat your oven to 200 and you're going to pour your mixture onto your baking sheet lined with parchment paper or a silicone mat. If you see any air bubbles, just hit it a few times against the counter to release them. You'll want to bake this for 3 to 5 hours or until the leather is dry. All right, the long wait is over. Our leather is cooked and cooled. I'm going festive with mine, and I have these cute holiday themed cookie cutters that I will be using to make the shapes. Get your family involved. This is the perfect recipe to do so. If you don't have cookie cutters, you can cut the leather into strips and then roll them up. Take them with you on the go, or while you're checking out some holiday lights, or even doing some holiday traveling. Just have fun with it. I will see you next time with more Fresh Dish Foodie recipes.